Good morning. A nice, beautiful no news Monday. Let's see if it could give us any momentum. No news Mondays are never super fun. So we came back since yesterday's open. Nice to 300 points. Let me erase my drawings here. Where do we want to go now? Well, up seems like the way to go. Just tap previous day equilibrium. Maybe a little retrace back down here, and then maybe we'll try to go for another long. Anyways, chat. I don't trade until 9:45. So we got time to kill. Morning USA. I got a feeling that it's gonna be a wonderful day. From the first looks of it, I'm gonna be looking for a pullback maybe into this bullish 15 with this bullish shorter block, and maybe we'll look for a bounce over here to continue going up higher, depending on what it wants to do in here. But until 9:45, we wait and we see what price wants to do. For now, I think it's going to continue going lower for a bit until we reach a higher time frame bullish PD arrays. I think it's going to reach down till at least over here. We'll play in this area and maybe we'll look for a long in this area over here. So overnight we gapped up. We're coming down now. I think it's either going to be this bullish PD or this bullish PD that's going to hold and bring us maybe back up. We'll just have to wait and take a look. Let it do its thing. If this doesn't hold, the last line of defense for me until I switch my bias would be this 15-minute for value gap. Is that a line with midnight over here? Oh no, all the way down here. So no news Monday again. Gotta be careful in the AM with a no news Monday. Could easily get a nice seek and destroy profile, so we'll be patient. Having like cheek pain. David will be joining us soon. Chat, are you guys bullish or bearish for today? Where do you think we're going? Are we gonna have a crazy week like last week, or this is when we're gonna be slowing down? Good morning, JC. We have a little internal SMT with ES.
What's up, Al?
What's up, Dave?
Bro, since you told me to put my phone on night mode, to take off the blue light, now I just always keep it on night mode.
Yeah, me too. I never have it on normal mode or whatever we call it. Well, if it was 9:45, I've been taking this SMT trade long. But it ain't 9:45. Actually, I can't even take it long. The stop's too big. So I'll be taking nothing. Alright, well, I guess lower's the way to go for now. We have a lot of bullish PD arrays on the way down. Created so many. No, no trade for now. We don't trade until 9:45. If it was 9:45, I'd be in short right here, but let the market do its thing till 9:45. Okay, sounds good.
9:45. I wait just the first 10 minutes.
Yeah, you'll be ready for a trade. Yeah, I always wait till 9:45. I can't see. It says message retracted. Message retracted. But yeah, I'll let you know. How'd you sleep, Mr. David?
Not the best. I got woken up when my sister woke up early, and the dog woke me up barking.
Why'd she wake up early? She worked yesterday till fucking late.
I don't know, bro, but I got woken up by noise like 3 times. It ruined my whole sleep.
So I have a question. Your new setup, would you have went short at 9:33?
I don't know.
I watched his video a little bit, but I think he says when there's news at 8:30, he uses the 8:29 candle as the fair price.
Yeah, when there is news, yeah.
Then once 9:30 hits, does he continue with 8:29 or 8 or 9:29?
When 8:30 hits, 8:29.
No, I said like when market opens at 9:30, does he continue using 8:29 or does he start using 9:29?
He'll use both if 8:29 hasn't really been traded too, and 9:29 you push down. Let's say 9:30 is below. Let's say 9:29 is far below 8:29,
Yeah.
and then 9:30 pushes down more, like has the Judas swing lower.
Mm-hmm.
When his move up, he'll try and target 9:29 and 8:29. Like if it's far away and he thinks we're bullish for that day, like you're on the hourly or the daily and you're bullish every day, he'll try to go maybe for like a home run and hit that 8:29 and hit like a 8 hour trade, because
Yeah,
that's the
I
fair
get it.
price. That's the fair price before news, and news changes fair price.
Okay. My eyes are burning this morning, man. Didn't even go to bed that late.
SMT and speed, huh?
Mm.
If it closed above the wick of 943, you could put a 1-for-1 here. A 2-for-2 can trade. It didn't anyways. I thought maybe
Yeah,
it
well,
would.
I was gonna mark it out actually if it happened to.
The only reason why, normally I wouldn't, but the only reason why is because there's a high at 931, high at 925, high at 922. Those three highs near each other would be the only reason why I would take them.
It's a no news Monday. You had a pretty big move overnight too. I'm surprised.
Yeah, look what happened last week. Price had to come up to rebalance a bit, fill in all the orders. Last Friday we dropped what, 2%, 3% in Nasdaq almost. It's a
Yeah, a
lot, bro.
lot. I
I
think
think they
like
said over $1
3%.
trillion was wiped out.
Yeah.
That ain't some pocket change.
Where do we
Where do
wanna
we
go?
want to
I would like a manipulation of the sell side. Then maybe we could find a move for a continuation towards the upside.
What's sell side? There's sell side everywhere.
Um, into the 15-minute bullish for value gap. Maybe take out that low at 8 o'clock and then look for a move up. But there is a lot, I know, and we're still over midnight. And there is a lot of sell side. What do you want to see?
I don't know. We're not doing much now. Open didn't really cause a big Jew to swing. We're just playing around 9:30. Opening price and 8:30 now. If you see 8:30 and 9:30, we're just playing between them. So you wait for price to choose a direction and either trade a continuation or reversion. It's playing ping pong between both 8 to 8:30 and 9:30 right now.
Chat, where are we going, up or down?
I have no idea. We'll see what pool of liquidity gets taken off first. Right now on the hourly chart, you're at 50% of the huge drop from Friday 5 in the morning to Friday 4 p.m. That whole day, you're at 50% of that day's in an hourly fair value gap. So if you're bearish, you can easily start to come down from here and continue lower.
Yeah, I saw we hit the previous day equilibrium.
But even if you come lower from here, doesn't mean you're going to go and take all the lows. You can still come down into the hourly fair value gap at 7 a.m., the one that you marked out, I think, on the 15-minute, and then start to continue pushing back up. We don't know. But you can get a move both ways. Even if you retrace here, you could find a move, and then once you hit the fair value gap at 7 a.m. on the 1 hour chart, if you're bullish, you can get another move up back to 8:30, 9:30 opening price. It's just playing ping pong right now. I don't want one
Yeah.
side to be taken out. It's chilly in my office.
It's what?
It's cold in my office.
Yeah, my eyes are burning. You like it extra warm though in your office. I don't like it warm anymore. I hate sweating. Another bearish internal SMT. What do you do all day? I sit on my desk and I watch candles get printed each minute. It's actually crazy.
More ping pong at 8:30.
Yeah.
Who's gonna win, 9:30 or 8:30? Ping pong, ping pong. Whoa.
All right. See what he wants to do here.
This is what you want. Stony guts.
There we go. We just took out that big 15-minute low. I wouldn't mind filling that 15-minute bullish fair value gap, tapping Asia high, maybe looking for a reversion back up. Until the high's back over 930.
Yes, leading the race.
Are we horse betting now?
Speeding up, you mean?
No, I said, are we horse betting? Because you said ES.
Oh, I heard we're speding up. I go, oh my god. Someone clip his grammar.
Clip that chat. I think it's the only nice day of the week. I think Wednesday until Friday, Saturday, it's all rain. What up, Martin? Any trade for you yet? We're still waiting. Yeah, nothing yet for us as well. So we wait. Weekend was good. Went out to eat, took it relaxed. Nothing too special. How about you? Waiting for the real games of the World Cup to begin. Gonna be fun to watch. A lot of beach time. I'm jealous. I wish we had a beach. We had a good one 2 days last week, and now today we have nice weather, and then I think it's gonna be rain for the rest of the week for us. Not looking forward to it. And no beach. Yeah, the weather here is bipolar. You should see when spring starts, we get like 9 degrees, 8 degrees, 10 degrees, and we'll have a day like -5. It's like every day Montreal spins a wheel to see what weather it wants to throw at us. It's like the market. The weather here is like the market, too erratic. As in hot or cold? Over 30, yeah, we had days over 30. We had days over 30 and we had days under -30. I'd rather over 30 than under 30. You go outside at -30, you're stepping on the snow, and it makes like that cold sound, like cold, like you're stepping on crunched ice. That's how you know it's freezing.
Oh, you know it's freezing when your eyelids get iced on. When your boogers freeze up in your nose
And when you when you take a breath and
and
your
it feels
nostrils
like
get stuck.
snowballs. Yeah.
What's the weather over there, Martin, in Spain right now? What are you enjoying that we're not?
When you throw a snowball and it becomes ice before it hits the person.
27 now.
Wow.
Lucky you.
It's not too bad for us today, no? 20?
I don't know, I didn't check the weather, but I saw it was
Yeah,
sunny.
it's 20. Yeah,
Finally
it's
have
getting
blue
better though.
skies.
25, 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock. Today's a good day for pickleball.
That's a great week, Martin. Are you close to the beach? Like, do you have to travel far, or you have one like nearby? 5 minutes away from the beach. Wow. How is the ocean over there? Is it hot or cold? I know in Portugal when I went, the water was so cold, and I went like um, mid-August. Very, very hot. That's what I need. I hate cold water. So you guys are on the good side.
Oh, very, very hot. That's lucky.
Yeah, having a warm ocean and being 5 minutes away from the beach. Martin, you won the lottery. Your boy's jealous. Big Mike is not next to me. I used to be next to him. I love it how you said Big Mike. That's what we call him. It's better than Mike. Better than Future's floor. His new nickname is should always be Big Mike. The algos too. He should even name his algos Big Mike. Yeah, I renamed to Big Mike. That's exactly it. That's what he should name it to. Big Mike 1, Big Mike 2, Big Mike 3. It's probably going to be a slow AM session. Yeah, it's a nice area to look at because you have previous day equilibrium up here too. So if we take it one more time and we take out this high, maybe we could be looking for a short as well. Anyways, we'll see what we respect. We did tap into this last minute, this big 15-minute bullish for value gap, and we shot up so fast with speed. Back to 830.
A lot of highs there, bro. I think I might try this candle here. How's it looking? Let me try it. My stop is below 1008. I want to see it push up towards those highs in the morning.
Who is he, Martin? What was it? One of Mike's algos? I don't know him. Lanto trades, I don't know him. There's so many traders out there.
Oh, I know Lanto. He's a kid.
Oh yeah, you know him?
Trades for millions of dollars.
You like that long, David? We tapped into that 1 minute bearish and right under 830.
Not entirely sure about it.
That's a nice candle. Close above, close above.
Oh, NQ and above, yes, left equal highs.
Yeah.
Damn, that sucks. Looks
This
like I got
closes
the bias
below. I
wrong.
gotta take a short. No. Anybody else you like, Martin? Besides that, let me mark up David's trade over here. I watch more of the ICT traders, more of the younger crowd.
Yeah, you don't have to mark up my trade. I got out. I don't like how we played in here. I got out break even.
You got out with break even.
Yeah, I'm not a fan of how we played around here. I want to see movement. I'm gonna wait maybe till 11 o'clock.
I watch a little bit of everyone. I watch a little bit of Tyler. He does smart money concepts. I used to watch a little bit of Zusi, Johnny. But I learned that it's not too good to watch too many people because then you try to. Sometimes they could influence you when you have a trade long and they're like, oh, I'm looking for shorts. And then you think that your long might not be correct, you know?
Oh yeah, and I know Lanto, bro. That guy has a bankroll beyond a bankroll. I think his position that Martin's talking about on Friday, I think he had $1.2 million.
That's crazy. Yeah, he said he caught Friday short with 60 minis and he held till the close. Wow.
Yeah. He's a big trader. Like he'll take he'll get like 5 funded accounts and risk like 4,500 and go for like 2R and then risk all of the 8,000 and go for 2R or 3R or 4R. Like he'll try to go for really big home runs and almost risk the entire account in the beginning.
Well, you did good on that break even.
Yeah, it was pretty obvious. I didn't like the way we swept into the for value gap of 955.
Yeah, and then we resouped it. That's a good break
Yeah.
even. Break even always way better than a loser, huh? Preserving capital. Love to see it.
We have an S&T. What he is from that internal low.
Think we're going back up, Martin? Gonna explode soon either way. I don't know, it's a Monday no news. Most of the time we get seek and destroy profiles. We play ping pong. Or if Trump tweets, we'll get a 300-point candle out of the blue. We've been getting so many erratic candles lately. No, I don't do a volume profile. I think the more simple you keep it, the better you'll do. The less people you listen to, the better you'll do as well.
Yeah, the less traders you follow, the less traders you look at, the less traders you watch. On your own, you'll do better. You have to find one or two people that you really like their strategy. You back test it, you forward test it. If it fits you, you stick to it and you never change it. And you never, on a losing day, on a losing week, you keep on it. You don't tell yourself, oh, what am I doing wrong? What am I missing? Am I missing more knowledge? Should I learn a different strategy? This week didn't pay off at all. Am I doing something wrong? No, that's why you back test and you forward test and you stick to those strategies through thick and thin. Like it's your wife.
Yeah, like David said, once you start studying every single different new strategy every single day, and you're listening to 5, 6 traders, and you see them taking 100-point moves, the other guy's taking 1-to-1s, this guy's telling you to do this, and then you're listening to them, and you need to take your setup. And like I said, the guy said, "Oh, I'm only looking for shorts. If you're looking for longs, you're dumb." But then your setup comes along, and you don't take it, and it ends up being a winner. You're way better off doing it on your own. Take 1, 2 traders that you really, really like, stick to them, and then take your own setups. I've been waking up with a tight trap lately. Yeah, that makes me feel good, Martin, because that's exactly what we do. I don't take a million trades a day. I have 3 trades in my playbook. David as well has 2, 3 trades, and that's the only setups we take. In the beginning, that was my mistake over a year ago. Listening to 2, 3 people, and it put so much confusion in your head. When to sit on your hands and when to leave as well. You should have rules on how many losers you're allowed to take a day. It avoids the gambling instinct when you're down and you want to recuperate it. It's way better to take a loss and come back tomorrow and make it back than to take a loss, get angry, try to make it back, and even take even a bigger loss of your initial one. It could set you behind so much. You know that's funny too? Yeah, ICT came out with the thousands of videos and everybody's making videos on it, but yet everybody has their own specific strategy. You take his concepts and you find your model. Yeah, we did it all. Me and my brother went through 2016, 2017. We went through all of his videos. Many, many hours of videos. And after spending hours and hours on the charts and back testing and forward testing, we found our own strategies that we like. You weren't here Friday, Martin, but we had a nice two for two trades. We hit back to back on Friday. Well, he likes his trades 9:30 to 11. ICT calls it the silver bullet. But then you also have
Yeah,
the
and
time.
his kill zones are 950 to 1010, 1050 to 1110, 1150 to 1210. Those are where he expects price to mostly reverse or continue pushing in the direction of the drawn liquidity. Yeah,
The
10 to
macro
11 is the
time.
silver bullet.
Yeah, price is more aggressive during these macro. Silver bullet is in the PM session. There is a silver bullet AM, and am I mistaken, David? There's also a silver bullet during the PM session as well.
Yeah, he talks about, I'm pretty sure, 2 to 3 o'clock. For him, 2 to 3 is a silver bullet in the PM.
Then you have the power hour, 3 to 4, that some people trade as well. I don't really trade past 3 o'clock. I'm not a fan past 3. 9:30 to 12, and then I'll redo 1 to 3. But yeah, Martin, you weren't here last Friday. It's a shame. We really did well. Let's continue the win streak. How many points we got? I mean, I went for a 1 to 1, and I think it was maybe a 40 point move. I don't remember the exact points.
I'll tell you how many points my trade was.
And David too caught one right before mine. But I wasn't gonna let him get away with a winner without me getting a winner, right? And it wasn't only Mike, my mentor. Mr. David too was a mentor. Mentor. Twin power, yeah.
My trade was 70 points.
And David caught a 70-point winner last Friday. I
I think I grabbed 60 points of it. Of the 70-point trade, yeah. There's another one too. It wasn't just that one. There was also the long right after almost. That hit too, but how many points was that? Another 70 points, yeah. Two 70-point trades on Friday. But just one for one, most of them.
That's what I was telling. That's what I was telling David Martin. We haven't had a huge down day where it could just completely drop for the entire day in so long, and I knew we were bound for it one day. We were over 30K. I knew one day we were bound to have a crazy bearish day. I didn't think it was going to be Friday though. And we got off a little bit early since we both caught winners. Went to enjoy the day a little bit.
And Q dropped 1,300 points, and I was able to catch 140, but not the other 1,200. Wow, 1,300 points. Pretty sure I've seen days like that before.
Yeah, we've seen days like that for sure. It could happen any days, to be honest, Martin. I feel like last year, a lot of days where we dropped heavily was in the PM sessions. Remember some days we just dropped like insane. We had huge black candles followed by huge black candles. Anything can happen. We are bound for one of those days to happen.
Yeah, normally the biggest days like that, I think Martin's right on Fridays or Mondays. Over the weekend, some crazy news happens. Monday opens up, gap down like 800 points, and then has to fill the gap. But Fridays, they love doing it too, yeah.
What the fuck everyone's
Especially if the
thinking.
week is bullish. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday is extremely bullish. ICT has a model based on that itself. TGIF Fridays. It's basically a theory that just states that if price is running up all week on the daily chart or on the weekly chart, the wick has to form on the candle, the top wick. If you're going up, right, the top wick has to form. So Friday will close lower into the range of Monday to Thursday to create the wick and balance whatever needs to be balanced.
TGIF. TGIF. Who sings that song? Anybody know?
Katy Perry, no?
Yeah, it's not for you to answer. You're Katy Perry's #1 fan, you know?
Oh, Rihanna's better. What's wrong with Katy Perry? You don't like the white girl music at the gym? You ever been on the bench press singing California Girls?
Mike doesn't sing much.
Damn, tone, hot and heavy. These are the girls I love the most.
Mike's more of a comedian. He likes his jokes. Get help, you get stuffed.
You get what?
Get stuffed. It's a joke with Teddy.
Get help.
Big Mike. That's what he gets called in the streets now when people recognize him. Big Mike.
Big Dick Mike.
Big Dick Mike. What? That's honestly crazy. Don't go repeat that in his chat. Keep it here. Don't be snitching, fools. Don't be a snitch, Teddy.
Bro, this trade looks so good to go for those internal highs there.
Yeah, I know.
Say how price action has been this morning for now. A lot of wicks, a lot of back and forth.
Yeah, Martin, these highs are clean right here to grab. We have relatively equal highs right here. Don't have a trade for it though.
Right.
So we wait and watch, and if it gets taken, we cry that we didn't get an opportunity. Hey, if anybody's new here, subscribe. It helps out the channel. We would appreciate the love.
Should go for those highs now. There's no reason to stop. All of them.
Low-hanging fruit, huh? Like my balls in the
Yeah,
sauna.
and it's a wick on the hourly chart. I think we'll go for that wick.
Yeah, it's a great target. All these highs right here. Yo, 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 Papalando. Popalando. Good morning.
Yeah, it's important to know when to sit on your
Chat,
hands,
are we
bro.
going to grab it now? This candle? Going to grab all the liquidity? Run!
Price action is slow. There's a lot of wicks. That's when you gotta sit on your hands. No news Monday. Oh, 29,584. Where's 29,584? That internal high. I mean,
Thank you,
we should
James.
go for it. We should go for it.
Yeah, we should be going for these highs over here.
Where did Martin put his stop? I'm curious.
Oh,
1028
I
is
don't
the
know if I
low.
don't know if he went long
1023.
or I don't. I think what he wanted to say is that he wanted it to take out the morning high, and
No,
then
no, buddy. He
for
wrote.
short. No,
He
I didn't
told
see.
you.
Are we sweeping the high?
Nobody told you going long here. Stops in place. You can't have a stop in place if you're not in trade, buddy.
I didn't even see what he wrote. Hi, dirty little trader. Thank you.
Stops in place. Target 298
I see you're going
584.
longer. Stops in place. Target 584. Grabbing a coffee.
It should go. Those are the highs I want.
Go Martin. Go Martin. Go Martin.
I hope it hits for him. Nobody likes starting off a Monday with a loser.
Thank you, James. I wonder where he put his stop. Martin's crazy. He didn't even put a stop.
Martin's stop is a feeling. Go, Martin.
Go Martin.
Push.
I'm gonna blow on my chart for you. You need 584, right?
Yeah, it's his internal high that he wants, yeah.
He went to go grab coffee. He's not even looking at all the jokes I just made for him. He doesn't know I'm the one who blew the candles higher for him. Yeah! Let's get a W in the chat for Martin. Woo!
Martin and Martingale.
Spam W's. Spam W's for Martin. When he's back, he'll be happy.
He's back. Martin
No, he's
forgot to
not.
put a TP. He's gonna come back. It's gonna hit his stop loss.
Bro. Did he go make a coffee or he went to the local diner to grab a coffee? Come back, Martin, come back! No, he had his target in place.
Baby, come back. You can blame it all on me. I was wrong.
Martin's dancing right now. It's getting hot in here, so take off all your clothes. What? Where did he go? I want him to come back.
He's coming, but he went to get a coffee. Fast. You think maybe he doesn't drink black coffee right out of the container. He's taking his time. Martin has no emotions. He didn't even care if it hit his TP or lost. He's not even in the room.
He went to the beach. Baby, come back. Dun-dun-dun-dun-dun-dun. That's the best. You leave and you come back to a surprise. Martin, we had a whole party for you. I was blowing on my chart. We spammed W's. We celebrated your win without you here. I was blowing on my chart for you. I was blowing and you had three big green candles. We hit target just for you. I called my boy up in the stock exchange. Yeah, it worked like a charm. We were celebrating. Look how many W's were spammed in chat for you. All in the name of Martin. Now what you have to do for that, you have to go to my in Futures Flores Discord and send a video of you dancing with your coffee. Worked like a charm. At the beach, so you hate me more, yeah. And then I'll send you one in the rain, so it's more emotional, you know? Martin gets to go enjoy a beach day now with his floaties. I know you wear floaties, Martin. Pink floaties.
Oh my God. And at Spain, in Spain, 8 friends renting a boat next Sunday.
Drinking wine and eating steaks is what he said.
That's gonna be fun. This could be good.
He wanted to write with 8 women, but the autocorrect changed it to friends, right, Martin? 8 lady friends.
With 8 lady friends.
4 and 4.
44 lady friends?
44?
Damn, Martin's a pimp.
He's a winner on and off the court. Martin the gangster. Woot woot.
You don't even have to send the invite. I already accept.
No, no, I see what he's doing.
Canadians are fun, Martin.
He's not
Montreal is
happy.
one of the best party cities in the world.
He's not happy with 44 women. He wants us to bring more women, but he wants Canadian women. He wants foreign women.
Canadian women are nice too. Montreal, one of the best party cities. Well, everybody says that. Everybody who comes to Montreal.
She was so lovely. Dance! Go, Martin,
Lovely,
dance!
respectful, or like lovely Mia Khalifa?
Oh,
Oh, I'm such an idiot. Okay, what is Price doing here?
love drinking after hours. Yeah, yeah, we all know what goes on after hours. Martin's hitting TP and he's hitting raises. He's smashing TPs from left to right.
He's filling in fair value gaps.
Oh, Martin, you're so crazy. You crazy guy, you.
You're so crazy, Martin.
No, I would never mix work with pleasure. I don't want to give my brother pleasure. I would never mix. There's no opportunity for mixing as well. Big Mike.
Well, the first hour of the market, we did nothing. Absolutely nothing.
Chat, anybody else took trades today? Besides Martin? He be hitting bangers. He's like the Big Bang, you know? Do 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 do. Baby, come back.
It's so funny. Remember I told you in the beginning of the stream, we're in a big hourly for value gap and around 50% of the range. So if we come down, we could come down and respect the 7 o'clock hourly for value gap and then push up.
It's exactly what we did, boy.
Yeah, I just didn't have a good entry for this. That happens to everyone though. You have the right draw, you just don't get an entry. Short the first red Heikinashi 1 minute bar.
Wow, Martin, you also speak Chinese? Ah, I cannot
Speak
she
English.
bars. Ah,
That was wrong.
a man with many talents.
Bro, you have to go watch the movie Obsession. It's pretty good.
Bro, I saw the rating on IMDb, 8.2.
Yeah, for a horror movie, you know how good that is?
Bro, 8.2 for a horror movie. It's like a 10 on 10.
Yeah.
When do
More
you
of a
ever see,
thriller,
when
but
do
it
you
is
ever
pretty
see
good.
horror movies over 8? You don't even see them over 7 on 10 on IMDb. This one got a rating of 8.2.
What are you saying? Say it again.
What?
The website title.
IMDb? What is it?
It's IMBD. I was question.
IMBD.
I was like, bro, what is he saying? Am I retarded?
IMBD. Yeah.
Yeah,
Normally horror movies you'll never see them past 7. The best of the best is like 7.2, 7.3. This one got an 8.2.
yeah, it's a pretty insane rating. The movie had a $750,000 budget.
Crazy, huh?
Made like $20 million like in the first like month or something. I don't know, something insane. That's
Martin was
crazy.
probably the director. Hey, Martin. Bark, bark. That meme is so funny with that
Yeah,
Chinese guy and the white guy. Dogs from different places act accordingly to their own
yeah.
culture.
Dogs from South America. Hey, what's up,
Hey,
fool? Bark,
bark,
bark.
bark.
Dogs in China. Meow.
No, no, it wasn't that. It was dogs in China. Help! Help! That's what
Oh,
the
that's what
real
it
joke
was.
is,
Yeah.
yeah.
Dogs in the hood. Woof, woof. Bro.
The dogs are throwing up gang signs with their paws. Those guys are so funny. Over here, or are we Beyond or Nio brands? No, we don't have Beyond and Nio yet. I think we have like Polestar, Polestar, whatever it's called. When we have Teslas, and then we have like the general Canadian brands that are here that are starting to make electric vehicles or hybrids.
Wait,
Those
does
are
Martin have any of the Beyond ones? Any of the Beyond cars? They look sick.
in Europe. They have a lot of different cars though.
Mhm.
Martin, what do you have over there? You probably
I
have
wonder if he
a
has any Beyond or Nio.
yeah, but
Tesla for sure.
they have a lot of European cars. I'm telling you, I went to Portugal. It's not really the cars you see here. They have more like European cars, like cars from France and all those places. I forgot what it was called. A baguette. When I went to Portugal, we had a French car. I forgot what it was. Oh yeah, Peugeot. Peugeot.
Wait, he might be in a trade. Wait, I want to know what he has though. If there's Beyond cars there, the Beyond cars look insane.
Yeah, I heard we're opening up locations for the Beyond vehicle, right? Yeah, you see Italian, German, UK cars, and French too. Yeah, Europe has full of those. It's more of those types of vehicles. It's too bad there wasn't a high here on ES at 1049. Might have gotten a trade. But we got none, so we wait. Yeah, over here it's mainly Tesla for the electric vehicles. The ones you see a lot more often are Teslas. A lot of Model Ys. All right, in a time macro, let's see what we want to do here. What does price want to do? I'll draw this one out. I'll draw this 1 hour bearish gap. So it can't be that bad, the scary movies. I'm looking at all of them on IMBD. It's ranked third, number 6.
What? Oh,
Yeah,
bro, people just look at the pure ratings, but the thing is, parody movies don't get good ratings.
Scary Movie 5 is a 3.6. All the other ones are a little bit above 5. This one that just came out is 5.7, so it shouldn't be that bad. I don't know why it's getting so much hate.
All of them get hate, bro.
Like the ratings are so skewed.
Yeah, Scary Movie 1 was the best. Obviously, that was the best one, like pretty much the best one. I liked it the most too. 6.3, and then 5.4, 5.6, 5.1, 3.6. Scary Movie 5. Yeah, that's
Yeah, no,
obvious. Four and 5 were not the best, and it shows in the ratings.
yeah, I looked at them
And then
all.
Scary Movie 6, 5.6. Oh, we gotta get the movie tickets still.
Yeah, I know.
Let me check how full the theater is right now. You know, a movie I heard is really good that's in the theaters.
Mm.
Tuner, Tuner.
What is it about?
I don't know, some guy that's really good with like music and beats or something, but then he uses his talent to break open safes because he's good with sound.
Oh, okay. Sound cues. There was already a movie like that once upon a time. Remember they were like robbing banks?
I don't know, but I heard the movie's amazing. The ratings apparently were really good. Search it up on IMDb. Tuner, Tuner.
Yeah, 7.5.
Not too bad.
Yeah, not too bad. Pretty good.
Go look on
Hey, no
go look
skills.
on
My day's been good.
go look on Snapchat. I'm gonna show you the map of the
Haven't caught a trade yet. We just got one break even for this morning.
theater. Yeah, my morning draw has been hit, so now we wait to see if we continue higher or we revert lower. Problem is, price action was very slow for the first hour. I didn't have any entry model to go long.
We had the correct draw, just no entry. Which happens. Nothing we could do about it.
Yeah. The only entry, bro, that I saw was 1030. Stop at 1028 low, but I didn't like how the first hour played out in the morning. It kept bouncing between 930 and 830, but it's not a bad trade.
All right, well, we have one more target in this 15-minute bearish for value gap. I think we're in a big hourly as well. Yes, sir. Not really, to be honest, Martin. The only one I occasionally watch is like Tyler Trades. I find him to be more one of the most truthful ones. Shows his losers and his winners. Down to earth. He's a good guy. And besides that, I don't really watch anybody else.
Yeah, it is pretty hard to find open truthful traders, especially in the ICT area. The only one I've seen that's like really open and honest that has verified payouts. One of them for especially for ICT is Jade Cap. I think it's JADE space CAP. He's pretty cool. He seems honest and genuine, like a cool dude.
Yeah, the Asian guy. I think he's one who holds the record for the biggest payout in Apex,
Yeah.
if I'm not mistaken.
Yeah, I think you're right.
Where was the PM buy side? Oh my god, it was pretty low over here.
Still got some time to find some trades. What a move up though. Alex, are you still here? I think you're on mute. Oh yeah, I was on mute. My bad. No. Oh, he's gone. You don't hear him. I see him talking in his stream. There's just no sound coming out. I see your.
Hello? You hear me?
It's like an angel sighing.
You hear
No,
me,
yeah,
right? Perfect. I
yeah.
don't know, my mic just shut off randomly. Thank you, no
That's
skills.
not nice. That's not nice.
It's a good thing he
Your
told me
mic's a bad.
I was talking in
Your
the dark.
your mic's a bad boy.
Nice catch, thank you. Who's a bad boy? I think Big Mike is the bad boy. How you doing, Futures Floor? How's your morning?
Oh, what the hell? Bro, the way it's looking, if I find a trade, it's gonna be towards like 1140. I need structure to form. So I'm sitting on my hands. Smoking loud, sitting on my hands. Bro, if you're feeling risky, Alex, just click buy.
Lucky for
If
you,
you
I'm not.
haven't gambled today, clap your hands. If you wanna gamble and you haven't done it yet, clap your hands. No, I'm just joking. Don't gamble.
Wow, stocks are recovering that strongly after such a big bearish day like that. You need to leave. Futures for we only caught a break even this morning. We had the draw correct. We were looking for higher targets. We just didn't really have a trade that presented it itself. We had one, but it took too much time, so we got out of break even. How about you? How was your day? Did you catch any wieners? 6 accounts green and 2 red. I think that's a great day. This candle closes the bearish for value, the bullish for value gap. I'm gonna go in short. If we get speed. Nope, no trade. He still has that buy side target, the PM buy side. Good morning, AD. Any trades that you caught today? Anything interesting? Anything fun you want to share? How was your weekend? Not yet. It's better to say not yet than yes, a loser. We just caught a little break even today, so us two are waiting on our hands patiently. If we get an opportunity. Hey Petra, how are you? Still looking for ES to take the 7.75 area before we look even for a retrace short or for structure to form before we take a trade.
Yeah, all main levels of liquidity, all internal highs, everything's been taken. There's absolutely no structure. If you're taking a trade here, you're gambling. There's nothing to take here. Morning session's probably over. Unless you get some internal structure to form and you can find a trade near 1140 and beyond from 1140 to noon. That is a possibility.
Wow, ES is really struggling to go take out that high. Yeah, there's nothing here to grab. We took out so many. We took out all of our targets. We just have one little target left here, the PMA buy side, but that's pretty much it. Wow, look at the hourly, bro. It's very strong and bullish. You're exactly right, Martin. Come on, algos, do some. I want you to do some about it. 11:15. Wow, and Q has been so strong. Good morning, Kishore. There's always been one asset that's been lagging behind recently, for the last 2, 3 weeks.
Sit on your hands. Sit on your hands. You gotta make a song about that. We're just slowly grinding up. So sit on your hands.
If we get a red candle here and it closes below the body at 11:15, I'm gonna go short for a 1-for-1, depending if we get it or not.
You have buy side right up here. Yeah, we have buy side at 739.
Yeah, I want ES to go grab its buy side too. I wanted to tap into that hourly bearish and take out that high. No, I think we at least fill up this gap. Give ES space to take out that high it has left. And in Q2, we still have a little high up here to go grab. We wait, we watch, and we react to price. What is it telling us?
29,782. Is there anything specific at that level?
No, I didn't see anything. Unless there's something on the 5-minute or anything.
Well, there's a for value gap on the 15-minute chart. Around that level. Yeah, it really sucks I couldn't find an entry.
Yeah, me neither. It's the name of the game, chat. Patience.
Of course.
What movie is that from again? Get the fuck out of here.
I have no idea.
You have no
Did you
idea.
remember
Remember,
the meme? You
Carlo used
remember
to
the
say to
meme?
Luke,
What's it called? I'm telling you right now, that motherfucker right there is not real.
I don't remember where that's from.
Bro, the girl on the plane saw like I don't know, like an alien or something.
Oh, okay, okay. Yeah, I remember. Imagine she's pointing at you. Ah.
Yeah. That's actually pretty crazy. That motherfucker right there, and she's pointing right at you. Oh my god.
Bro, it's in my head now. I want to know what movie it's from.
To be honest, I don't think it's from any movie. I think it was just a saying he was saying. I really don't remember that being in a movie.
It's not from a movie, it's from Carlo's life. Oh, my screen lagged. Is this a pullback or we're going short now? I think it's a pullback. And Q grabbed it all though. It's just ES who hasn't lived up to the hype. Good night, AD. Sweet dreams. Don't let the bed bugs bite. What a crazy green candle back up, huh?
Take care, AD. Sweet dreams.
I don't like how the market's acting. Market's teasing. All right, let's get a little bit of structure. Hopefully we find a trade before 12. Give us some nice structure. What a bearish candle. You see anything here, Dave, that you like?
No, it's look, it's okay. but you just tapped into a 15-minute bullish for value gap. I'd
Yeah, I
rather
know.
see some more structure form before going short, not just one little pullback, to be honest with you.
Yeah, me too.
It'll increase your odds if you get some more structure, even if it works. You literally just tapped into a 15-minute bullish fair value gap. I said, dude, speaking my language. I'd be convinced for shorts if we get some more, if we start respecting bearish order flow and you start respecting bearish PD arrays, then I'd be more willing to take a short. This isn't, I wouldn't want to take the first displacement down in a
Yep.
15-minute
A lot of the time it's just manipulation.
bullish for value gap.
Good morning,
Not the
trade
way we've
one.
been, not in the way that we've been moving up, especially.
Yep.
Better to wait. I said, dude, speak my
I agree. A
language.
short right here is not the play. We tapped into that 15-minute bullish and here too in the last big ass leg that we're here.
Yeah, and you're in
It's
the lower
bullish
for
order
value
block
gap
and we're in the
this leg.
lowest for, yep, the
Yeah,
lowest for value gap of the leg as well. Forget
it's
it.
better to wait. It's better. Doesn't mean it won't work. It's just better.
Probabilities game. Boy. It's crazy to think about it. People who count cards make money and what's their edge? Like 0.5 or like 1%?
Wow.
Wow, what's that? It's a bird, it's a plane.
No, it's a bearish candle. Well, we might get lucky and find a short somehow if we get some structure. Might happen. I say, do you speak my language?
Wow, these are very big candles, huh?
Yeah. I mean, you did get displacement and market structure shit, but I wasn't fully. I'd rather see some actual bearish structure form before just taking the first.
No idea, Martin. The only thing I could think of is that we took out all of buy side liquidity on NQ. We hit all of our targets. Just ES was lagging behind by one. We had at this level the PMA buy side, so maybe it reacted off that. But we wait and watch. What'd you take? No skills. You took a short. Anybody taking a short here probably hit take profits so fast for a short up there. All right. Well, I'll be here till 11:40. It's too bad we nailed the draw. Just didn't get an entry.
Yeah, man, I would have pulled 1126, but I didn't want to take the first change in structure in a 15-minute for value gap. God damn. And of course, that's the one that plays.
We only got a break even, Martin, this morning. It didn't move with speed, and then we took an internal high again, so I moved it to break even.
Still got some time here. Might get something.
Can't be mad, chat. We're preserving capital. All right, Chad, I'm gonna close it up here. I don't see any possibilities of trades anytime soon, so I'm gonna close it up here, and I'll see you guys again for the PM session around 1:15. We should be. Maybe we'll be on a little bit earlier for 1 o'clock. I'll do my best. If not, I'll see you guys in the PM, and hopefully we'll catch a trade in the PM. If anyone's still here, please subscribe and like. It helps out the channel a lot, and we appreciate it. Bye, everyone. See ya, Martin. Enjoy your day.